गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो में हम चार्ल्स डिकेंस के एमसीक्यूज़ की बात करने जा रहे हैं। सो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द फुल नेम ऑफ डिकेंस? चार्ल्स जॉन हफेम डिकेंस. Dickens was born at Landport in 1812. He died in 1870. Dickens was the second child of his parents. Dickens' father, John Dickens, was a clerk. Dickens had seven siblings. When Dickens was 4 years old, his father was transferred to Chatham, which place produced the most congenial malice for Dickens. Chatham. Dickens went to Giles School with his elder sister. Dickens says, I was a writer when a mere baby, but an actor never. Dickens' formal education came to an end when he was 10. Dickens' family had to face poverty due to his father's loss of job. Dickens' father was arrested and sent to debtor jail. Dickens worked in a factory as a paster of labels. Dickens' second school was Wellington House Academy. Dickens at Wellington House Academy wrote short stories. Dickens' father, after release, was successful to get job for Dickens. Dickens' father got service for Dickens at the office of a solicitor. Charles Dickens fell in love with a girl called Maria Bednell. A friend of Dickens described him to be a born actor. The pen name of Dickens is Bose. Bose was actually the name of Dickens' brother, who said about Dickens that he has the life and soul of 50 human beings. Leigh Hunt. Dickens' sketches by Bose was firstly published in Monthly magazine. Dickens' beloved discouraged him to be a writer of stories. How much loyalty did Dickens get for his work? Sketches by Bose, £150. The first novel of Dickens is The Pickwick Papers. Who was the illustrator of The Pickwick Papers? Seymour. Dickens married Catherine. Dickens was the reporter of Morning Chronicle. Who discouraged his students to read Pickwick Papers? Thomas, the headmaster of Rugby School. Dickens' David Copperfield contains a great deal of autobiographical material. Who is the writer of the novels Nicholas Nickleby and The Old Curiosity Shop? Dickens. Dickens separated from his wife after 20 years of marriage. Dickens had 10 children. Pickwick Papers was seriously published in 20 parts. Pickwick Papers were the posthumous papers of the Pickwick Club. Who was the founder of Pickwick Club? Leigh Hunt. Who wrote the novels Oliver Twist and David Copperfield? Dickens. Dickens went on tour of America and Canada with his wife. Who has charged Dickens with vulgarity in literature? Aldous Huxley. Barnaby Rudge by Dickens is a historical novel. Who wrote the novels Hard Times and Little Dorrit? Dickens. Who wrote the novels A Christmas Carol and Bleak House? Dickens. Who wrote the novels Martin Chuzzlewit and A Tale of Two Cities? Dickens. Who is the writer of the novel Dombey and Sons? Dickens. Dickens' last completed novel is A Mutual Friend. The Murder of Nancy by Bill Sikes occur in which Dickens novel? Oliver Twist. At the time of his death, Dickens was working on his novel The Mystery of Edwin Drood. Dickens was buried at Westminster Abbey. The theme of Dickens' novel Great Expectation is money. Dickens was primarily interested in character. While in London, Dickens frequently went to theatre. Dickens' early novels are purely episodic. Dickens felt offended when the absence of what was pointed out in his novels, the absence of form. Who said Dickens may not construct his story well, but he tells it admirably? David Cecil. Dickens is most admirable for his eccentric characters. What is considered the soul of Dickens' novel? Humor. Dickens' female characters are feeble. Who described Dickens' characters as flat? David Cecil. Dickens' Word is a book. The Dickens Word is a book written by Humphrey House. Dickens had a natural gift for homely pathos. Who wrote to Dickens that he had cried and sobbed over the death of Paul? Lord Macaulay. Pip is a pathetic character in Great Expectations. Dickens, about which of his novels, writes, "Of all my books, I like this the best." David Copperfield. Dickens had a love affair with a London actress that affected his family life, Ellen Turner. Oliver Twist highlighted the problems of poor city children. Who asked the workhouse master, "Please, sir, I want some more, Oliver?" In which novel did Dickens describe realistically the society of his time, but with a faith and optimism? David Copperfield. Dickens' experiences during his stay in America were named as American Notes. The sales of his novel, The Old Curiosity Shop, reached £1,00,000. Who said about Dickens, "The mere record of his conviviality is exhausting"? Lionel Trilling. Who wrote the book Charles Dickens, His Tragedy and Triumph? Edgar Johnson. Dickens projected a paper, the Daily News, from England. After how many days Dickens resigned as an editor from the Daily News? 17. Dickens' health was failing by the mid 1860s. Dickens founded a weekly magazine named Household Words. Dickens' novel Hard Times appeared in weekly installments. Who described Hard Times by Dickens as a work of genius? F.R. Lewis. Who said about Hard Times that it should be studied by persons interested in social questions? John Ruskin. Hard times generally means a period of slump or depression. Dickens' father was arrested for not paying the debt. How much was Dickens paid when he worked in a factory at the age of 12? 6 shilling a week. What did Dickens teach himself? Shorthand. For which newspaper Dickens reported parliamentary debates? Mirror of Judgment. In 1832, what did Charles Dickens nearly become? Professional actor. Which adjective described the work of Dickens? Dickensian. Which of Dickens' novel was the first Victorian novel to feature a child protagonist? Oliver Twist. Which of Dickens' works was the first to propel him to fame? The Pickwick Papers. What publishing trend did Dickens pioneer? The serial novel. Which Peter Carey novel was inspired by Great Expectations? Jack Maggs. Which episode would you need a heart of stone not to laugh at, according to Oscar Wilde? The Death of the Pure and Innocent Little Nell. Which writer and later friend of Dickens applied unsuccessfully for the job of illustrator on the Pickwick Papers? Thackeray. Who described Dickens as having a large loving mind and strongest sympathy with the poorer classes? Queen Victoria. Dickens' first novel, which focused on specific social ills, was Great Expectations. Hard Times is subtitled as For These Times. Hard Times emphasizes the dehumanizing aspect of the Industrial Revolution. Okay friends, thank you so much.